Now, 1b, Charlene. I want to do this question. I need to make everything to what? Same base. I want to make everything to same base. I want everything to be in log something. Okay. Now let's look at 1. How do I change 1 to base log? What is LG? LG is base what? So this is base 10. So this will be 1 times log 10. Who don't understand? Why must be log 10? Because this is LG, this is LG. Since everyone LG, I made everything LG. Okay. Now, second term, I look at the second term. I use another color. Second term is half LG 2125, right? 2125, right? Now, the obstacle here is the half. I wish there is no half here. What can the half do? Go up. Nigel, you better stop. Like I say, I cannot differentiate between you talking and you telling. So everyone stop. I'm trying to revise here. If you can do, keep quiet and do. If you cannot do, listen. Okay? So done already. I'm going to do the next one. LG2. LG2 is perfect. Nothing wrong already. I put LG2. Next step. I can now combine. No, please. They say without using a calculator. So I want to combine into one log. Okay. Who don't know how to do? Raise our hand. Okay. Can you look at your notes now? Notes refer to the one on top and and highlight. Xinghui, highlight number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 is helping you to combine or helping you to split. Okay. So let's look at combine. Combine means what? Xinghui, when I say logarithm 1 plus logarithm 2 plus after combine will be times. If I have minus, after combine will be divide. Now let's look at 1b again. First, I have minus. Minus means divide. So I will have one giant log with a divide sign. I will put 10. I will put 125 to the power of half. Xinghui, do you understand? Yes. Now, Xinghui, let me highlight for you. These two, after I combine, will be like that. After I combine. Because this is a minus, after I combine, it will be divide. Do you understand? Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. This is not LOG, this is LG, right? Kunsh answered the question already. What's the difference between LG and LOG10? LOG10, the short form is LG. So whenever you see LOG10, you can short form it and put LG. I made a mistake here. This is LG, not LOG. Because over here, this is LG125. I haven't finished yet, right? So is the green part okay? After I put LG, Xinghui, do you agree now I can combine the LG and I put 10 on top, I put 125 to the power of half below. That's okay, Now, LG10 is LG10 is one, correct? Alright. Now, Xinghui, I got a minus log 2 here. So whenever I minus, do I put the 2 on top or below? Below, because minus means divide. If this is times, the 2 will be on top. So you can combine a lot of log terms together into one log term. And why do I want to do that? Because over here, it will be all just calculator. Because 2 is divide what? You see, if I put on top means times 2. If I put below means divide by 2. See, 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. No. It's not divided by 2. It's taking with respect to the first term. You see, 10 divided by this. 10 divided by 2. Do you follow? Okay, if you don't follow, I suggest another method. I suggest another method. If you don't follow, I suggest another method. You can also write it like that. Matthew, do you agree if I write like that? Are you okay with this if I write like this? I haven't write yet. Do you agree if I write like that? Are you okay with this? Yes. So I don't care about the log 2 first. I can simplify 10 over this first. Can I? How 5? Press calculator lor. Okay, quite hard, huh? Okay, so I like that first. Now, Matthew answer the question. Because very hard for me to simplify. Matthew, can you answer the question? When I got log something minus log something, what do I do to the two numbers? Divide. So, can you help me write this down? Can you help me write this down? Log 10 over 125 half divide by 2. Do you agree? When you put divide by 2, wait, let me allow me to finish. I'm trying to solve Matthew question. Matthew asks, teacher, why is it minus and yet you multiply? I did not multiply. It's 1 over 2. It's times 1 over 2. So that's why it's like that. Now, so after this, what happens is the 10 and the 2 you can divide, right? 10 and 2 you divide, you get what? This is 5. This is no more. Then I'm able to write this. Okay, you're trying to teach your friend, so that's why there are some talking. Now, then what is 5, 1 minus 5 and 3 over 2? Do you know why is it 5 and 3 over 2? Because 125 is 5 cubed, right? Okay, so what is the... Okay, so now I'm dealing with indices already. What is AM divided by AN? 1 minus 3 over 2, right? So what's the answer? Sorry, what's the answer behind? Answer is 0. Hey, I did some mistake. Is it? Or no? Can you press calculator for me? What do I get when I have 5? Huh? 0.44. That means there's a mistake. Okay. Now I press this thing in the calculator. I will get negative 0.3494. Now if you cannot get this number, you see me after the lesson. I will teach you how to press a calculator. Now, why I stumble is because the answer behind provided is 0, but I couldn't get 0. Then I continue here. Now, just now Jing Feng asked, why is it 125 to the power of half is equals to 5 to the power of 3 over 2? So I show you working over here. 125 to the power of half is as good as 5 cubed times half to the power of half. That's why it's 5 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, how do I get this thing here? I use indices property again. A to the power of m, still got people talking, is a to the power of m minus n. So that's why I get something like that. So from here, I work out an answer. This is negative half. Now, there's no way you can solve from this anymore. The most you want to do is you drop the half down, but the answer is just negative half times log 5. Press your calculator, log 5 times negative half, you will get back the negative 0.349. So the answer is correct. Then Nigel and Rachel ask, can I leave my answer like that? Answer is correct as well. So both our answers are correct. Why I leave it in? Nigel, stop talking. Then ask people talking to you to stop. The sound keep coming from there. I don't know why. Mingyuan, why I change to base 5? Because if I don't change to base 5, then 5 and 1, 2, 5, I'm stuck. I am stuck here. I cannot do anything anymore. Why? Because they say without using a calculator. Okay, so now you understand why I don't use calculator. So now you understand why I need to simplify to the very end. Right, this is 1B. I will stop 1B now. I will continue the next